Hey guys, today we are in Volkswagen Arteon and I'm going to show you how to reset the service reminder, the inspection reminders over here. There are two reminders, one is for general inspection and the other one is for oil change. So with the ignition on, we need to use the buttons on the steering wheel to navigate through the virtual dashboard over here. So first use the left right to go into the driving data menu. Then use up and down to switch to range. So we are in trip, consumption overview, range. Okay, so let's select this, and when you are in this screen you need to press and hold the OK button for about 10 seconds. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release, and you will have this service menu over here, and over here we can browse up and down through it. We have first of all some service information, so you know when is your next maintenance reminder going to be shown on the instrument cluster. And over here we have option to reset the oil service and reset the general inspection. You can also reset the trip counter. You can check the engine code, so when you select this, over here you have the engine code. What's else over here? We have time settings, copyrights, and we can close this menu. So when we go to reset oil service, you have a question, do you want to reset it? And if you press OK, you will confirm it. If you do nothing, it will just go back. Same for the inspection. You need to confirm it within 5 seconds or so, and if you do nothing, it will just go back. And when you're done with the inspection reminders, you can just go over there into the close menu, select it, and you are back into your normal operation mode. Of course, you can just turn off the ignition and it should exit the service menu as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.